Velo cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they thought. We here basically will in every way that really matters give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Velo. The Velo has in short order basically acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like truly is Velo a wise venture? Is Velo worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is very huge? What will commonly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, which for the most part is very critical? How extremely high might Velo at any point go? Our aid will basically provide you with a thought of the Velo expected development and its cost expectation, all from truly profound specialized examination to crucial past cost graphs, or so they thought. Velo by and large past value examination, as per the most recent market information. Today the cost of Velo basically is 2 cents, and Velo is as of now sort of position number 522 in the fundamentally whole crypto market, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The dissemination supply of Velo for the most part is 1,229,925,310 with a market cap of $31,167,110 most recent 24 hours, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost sort of has shown a great increment of 12.56% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, which is very critical. Velo for the most part is as yet confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in a significant way. The Velo by and large is down to nearly 34.22% in the especially most recent 7-day. Nonetheless, after contrasting the genuinely current cost esteem and recent days' cost history, it is seen that Velo has expanded 65.05% in its cost esteem. The essentially normal least cost for the 1 month is $0. Greatest truly normal cost was 1 cent, which generally is very huge. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change essentially is around 95.39%, and the cost coursed from a base typical worth of $0 most extreme really normal worth of $0 the beyond 90 days. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months Velo has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. Subsequently, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period in a sort of enormous manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo in every way that really matters is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, or so they for the most part thought. The coin really is up by 94.20% with the genuinely greatest for the most part normal cost of the coin essentially was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months. We certainly give a valiant effort to truly gather especially greatest verifiable information for the Velo coin which incorporate really different variables like sort of past value, market cap, volume and in every practical sense, more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, for the most part make a point to peruse our expectations by and large. Velo value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023 the cost of Velo really is supposed to reach at least value level of 2 cents. The Velo cost can truly arrive at a greatest worth of 2 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of 2 cents. Velo value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Velo is in every practical sense anticipated to especially reach at a really least worth of 3 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 4 cents with the sort of typical exchanging cost of 3 cents, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value estimate 2025 to 2026 the cost of Velo by and large is anticipated to really reach at an essentially least degree of 5 cents in 2025. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 6 cents with the in every way that really matters normal cost of 5 cents all through 2025 in a fundamentally significant manner. The cost of Velo sort of is essentially anticipated to in a real sense reach at a sort of least degree of 8 cents in 2026. The Velo cost can really arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme degree of 9 cents with the typical cost of 8 cents all through 2026. Velo value expectation for 2027 Velo cost basically is figured to arrive at a scarcely the most minimal degree of 12 cents in 2027 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could really arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 14 cents with the typical figure cost of 12 cents incredibly. Velo value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Velo. In 2028 the cost of Velo certainly is estimated to be at around a base worth of 17 cents. The Velo value worth can especially arrive at a limit of 20 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 17 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. Velo value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Velo explicitly is supposed to reach at a kind of least degree of 23 cents in 2029. The Velo cost can arrive at a really greatest degree of 0.29, with the sort of typical cost of 24 cents all through 2029. Velo value expectation. Estimate for 2030 according to the Gauge and Profound Specialized Examination. In 2030, the cost of Velo is supposed to especially reach at any rate value worth of 33 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 40 cents, with the typical worth of 34 cents. Velo value expectation for 2031. The cost of Velo in every practical sense is supposed to reach at a truly least worth of 49 cents in 2031, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could especially arrive at a most extreme worth of 59 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of 50 cents all through 2031, which is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation for 2032. Velo cost is estimate to fundamentally arrive at a most reduced especially conceivable degree of 73 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest conceivable degree of 84 cents, with the typical conjecture cost of 75 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. What certainly is the Velo cost today? Today, the cost of Velo is 0.025, with the market cap of 31,167,110.000. What will be the Velo in every practical sense? Most elevated, truly anticipated cost for 2023 in a significant manner. The sort of the greatest determined cost for Velo is supposed to by and large arrive at a most extreme worth of 2 cents toward the finish of 2023 in an unpretentious manner. What will be the Velo most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The kind of the greatest determined cost for Velo is supposed to arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 2 cents toward the finish of 2024. How in every way that really matters high can Velo go? The for the most part normal cost of Velo could reach to 2 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it explicitly is assessed that the coin will handily come to the 12 cents mark, which especially is genuinely critical. How especially much will Velo be worth in 2030 in an unpretentious way? As far as cost esteem, Velo really has a remarkable, most certainly potential to reach new ATHs. It is estimated that Velo will increment in esteem, as opposed to mainstream thinking, as indicated by sort of numerous specialists and business investigators. Velo can raise a ruckus around town, much the most noteworthy especially conceivable cost of 84 cents till 2030. Is Velo a kind of wise venture? The Velo esteem is supposed to for the most part keep on growing, as lack will in general by and large empower cost ascend amazingly. The drawn-out growth strategies in Velo by and large looks encouraging. As indicated by our estimate, Velo will sort of cross the 5 cents mark during the following 2-3 years, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Kindly note, there is certainly high gamble for the most part include to any venture, or so they really thought. Just most certainly put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions. Lead thee in every way that really matters. Greatest exploration by and large conceivable in an unprotected